Hello, Memphis. This is Blake, once again here in the beautiful Raleigh Branch demonstration kitchen to bring you another recipe from our collection. Today I'm using another online, it's like an ebook. It is called Vedge, 100 plates large and small that redefine vegetable cooking. The authors are Rich Landau and Kate Jacoby. I'm excited about today's recipe because it covers a food culture that I really enjoy. It's an Indian-inspired dish. It is called lentil mulligatawny with cilantro onion salad. So join me as I figure out how to cook this delicious sounding dish. I want to, of course, thank Methodist for sponsoring this program, making it happen. Of course, I want to thank the Library Foundation and the Memphis Friends of the Library, and yes, you, the viewer. So let's get cooking. So Memphis, there you have it. Lentil mulligatawny with cilantro onion salad. It is delicious. You're going to want to cook it. If you're interested in this book or any other ebook, e-audio book, e-magazines, we have so much content on our website, www.memphislibrary.org. If you go to the upper right-hand corner where it says Accounts, the drop-down will show you how to access all of our e-content, the e-books and the things I was mentioning earlier. Once again, this particular book that I took this recipe from is called Vedge, 100 plates large and small that redefine vegetable cooking, by Rich Landau and Kate Jacoby. If you have any trouble accessing our e-content or really any other thing on our library page at all, feel free to drop into one of our branches all across the city, or you can give us a call And one way or another, we'll help you get it all figured out. We really want you to be using our website as well as our brick and mortar locations. We're thrilled to have you tune in. We're thrilled to have you participate in any way. So again, I want to thank Methodist Hospital for sponsoring this program, the Library Foundation, and the Memphis Friends of the Library. And yes, once again, I want to thank you, the viewer. Thank you for choosing to start here with the Memphis Public Library.